Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a group chat poll on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and we can go to Instagram direct message to open our group chat. Tap on this message icon. Then, for example, I'm going to create a poll on this group chat, so we can tap on the group chat to open it, and we're going to click on the sticker button. Then we can click on the sticker button again. Then we can simply tap on poll option to create a poll. Okay, then you can add your poll question right here. For example, I'm going to add your favorite movie. Okay, then we can add option like this. Okay, and after you're done, you can click on create poll. Alright, and now the Instagram group chat poll has been sent to our group chat, and that's how we can create group chat poll on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.